Now that I have my home gym set up, I really need a proper and strong weight bench. I am super stoked that this came in the mail today. It's chest day. So straight out of the box, everything is well packaged. What you see is what you get. Let's go ahead and check out the user's manual for inventory list. Basically, here's the part identification list. You're gonna have all the tools that's required to assemble it. I think they did most of the assembly already. So we simply have to transform it into the orientation that we want. So the first step is to bring it from its folded position to its upright state. Located in the back is a backrest adjustment frame. You could put it in any of the 7 angle positioning, depending what type of exercise you want to work with. Now to adjust the seat itself, there are 4 holes. Simply insert the bolt ring to an angle and orientation or height that you want. For additional security, you have this locking pin, which you can insert into the front frame to add stability. Next, I'm going to attach the headrest onto the frame using this bolt and nut to lock it into place. Last step is to insert this leg lever or footrest. Adding these pads. Simply insert to one of the 3 holes to a level that you want. And then close out with a locking wheel. The adjustable weight bench is fully assembled. I am super excited to try it out. So, your new weight bench has a weight capacity of 660 pounds. So it's definitely built to withstand heavy weights. And as you can see on the bottom, you see the strong welds. Yeah, that's going to definitely hold the weights in place. All right, so what you see on the top is the faux leather. And the main body construction is made of alloy steel for strong construction. I do notice that the front and the rear leg, I would prefer it to be a little bit wider, so that's a suggestion. Because wider adds more stability. Sometimes it can rock back and forth a little bit. The weight of this assembled bench is 25.4 pounds or 11.5 kilograms. I definitely appreciate the leg rest because that's what comes in handy, especially for declines and also for exercises such as crunches or sit-ups. So your bench can be adjusted with 7 back positions. You have, of course, for decline, you will simply get it out here. So it doesn't go into any of the slot, and that's your decline setup right there. All right, so let's go ahead and go to all of the angles. This is the flat bench right here. All right, this would be the next up in increments of degrees right here. That's kind of like a, I don't know, like a 60. Would this be like a 45 right here? And then a greater incline. That's kind of looks like a 75 or so. Upwards to almost 90 degrees, okay, for those shoulder presses, but it's not exactly a perfect 90 degrees. But then again, don't forget you have the seat rest, which you can adjust to 4 levels. Here is pretty much flat. Here's the next slot up, the 3rd slot, and lastly, as great as incline. So I'm 5'7". When I rest on it for flat bench, my head tends to reach the front part of this bench. It doesn't really reach the headrest because I compare it to my old bench and it stops to right here. So you have this additional headrest for people who are taller than 5'7". So I imagine that would be good for even 6 feet. All right, and don't forget about the footrest. You adjust according to your height. Alright guys, so overall I'm quite impressed with my very first adjustable weight bench. I've been dying for a weight bench that can perform functions of incline and decline, because just simply hitting just the middle part of the chest with flat bench just doesn't cut it. So with the decline, I'm going to be able to build the upper, and with the incline, I'm going to build the lower chest for a more fuller look and more well-conditioned and stronger shape. Now, the firmness of the bench is, I would say it's pretty firm, not too soft, not too hard, it's just the right amount. The build quality is definitely there, and this is definitely a lightweight bench, guys. It can hold 660 pounds, but check this out. It is so lightweight. I mean, basically you could pick this up with one hand. Look at this. Woo-wee. And I definitely like the color and the accent. It's highly adjustable. Not only can you do your favorite strength training exercises, but you can even mix in with yoga and cardio exercises. So if you're looking for a highly versatile, lightweight, and adjustable weight bench for your home gym, definitely give the Lusper adjustable weight bench a look and get ready for an intense workout. Eat hard, work out harder, baby!